So in this tutorial, my purpose is to show you how to bring the functionality of the Linux terminal on Windows. So for that, I have gitscm.com/downloads, and then I'm gonna select Windows and then click here to download. And so this is gonna install the Git functionality. And then after that, I will press to install, next, next, and I can select some other options. Like say, for example, check daily. No, I don't need to see the updates. Okay, next. And create. Okay, I think I will keep this. So next. And then after that, next. One line, I'll also, okay, next. I will leave all these things like that. So bundled open as such. Next. And use the native Windows secure channel library. I will keep that. Check out Windows style commit Unix style line ending as is commit Unix style line. So the recommended settings on Windows, I keep that. Use min_tty, so default terminal, so I will keep that. Okay, fast forward or merge. Okay, all these git credential managers, enable file system caching, and then I will just install. And in a couple of minutes, it's going to install. So in a while, it's going to finish installing. So let's wait for a while. Okay, so it has installed. Now I'm going to press launch git bash just to see how it looks like. And okay, so now I have a terminal command. Let's try something like ls, okay, dir. Okay, so it looks like it works. So I hope this video gives you an idea how to bring the Linux terminal functionality on Windows. Okay, thanks a lot.